Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone screen flickering issue on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So how to fix iPhone flickering issue on screen. So how to fix this issue. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. You have facing this issue on Apple. So you have first solution, you have adjust setting on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting, then you have click on display brightness. So then then you have click on accessibility, and then you have click on touch, then you have scroll up. Sorry guys, then uh, you have click on accessibility, then you have click on display and text size, then scroll up, then you have click on uh, auto brightness is a turn off. I have already turned off, then you must be turned off on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. Then you have facing this issue on your iPhone, so then you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restarted, and then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have factory reset iPhone. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on reset, transfer and reset iPhone, then you have click on erase, then you have continue, then you have rest anywhere, then you have then you have enter a passcode, and then iPhone given a passcode, then your mobile is factory reset. Fix this issue. If there are this solution is not working, their fourth solution, you have update iOS latest version. So then you have open the setting, click on general, again you have click on software update. iOS latest version available on your iPhone. You have must be update iOS latest version on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have fast quit app, particular app, then you have use some app, then you have double click home tab, then you have remove words, then your problem will be fixed. So then you have, if your iPhone screen is flickering when open a particular app, so then you have try to force quit the app first by double clicking on home button or sweeping up from the home screen of iPhone. This will bring up your background apps, where you will be able to see which specific app be causing this issue. Then just sweep that particular app up and off the screen to quit it. It is a quickly way of force quitting apps that tend to cause iPhone screen flickering or glitching issues. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.